LC Don't Show Credit Tips, LC family. What's good, man? Today I'm going to be giving you guys the blueprint on the 24 to 72 hours TransUnion collection deletion. So the first step, guys, I want you to do, if you don't already, download the Credit Karma app. Step 2, once downloaded, go to accounts, tab, select the negative items, then select dispute items. Third step, while in the dispute center, do not select any ownership under reasons. Select this account is involved in litigations. So for the fourth step, I'm gonna leave up on screen what I want you guys to put in the comment section. I have not supplied proof under the doctrine of estoppel by silence, ego heart, B. Gravens, and the number that I have on screen. Then you will continue and say, I may presume that no proof of the allies' debt, nor therefore any such debt in fact existed. And then after that, you're done. So what you do want to do, because sometimes the system may glitch. If the system glitch, you just want to do the process that I just gave you guys over again. You know, pretty much the second time it should catch if the system glitches the first time. You know what I'm saying? So with that said, LC Don't Show Credit Tips. You know, to subscribe to increase your credit score. I am gonna leave my new Instagram broadcast channel in the links below, as well my new Facebook groups, my Wealth Builders community chat, and business funding chat. So guys, till next time, be gone.